Hello everyone! Happy Sunday! Welcome back po sa aming channel and Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Kahit sa pagkakaalam ko, karamihan ng mga nanonood dito sa aming channel is mga babae. But anyway, Happy Father's Day sa inyong mga asawa, sa inyong mga tatay at sa lahat ng fathers na kakilala ninyo. Ayun, so kakatapos lang namin mamili dito sa Walmart. Hindi na ako nag-video kasi nahihirapan ako mag-video. Masama ang pakiramdam ko. Pero ngayon medyo okay naman na siya. And ayun, yun lang ang ginawa namin ngayon. Before kami pumunta dito, kumain muna kami sa Wendy's kasi nga.
Oh shit, we forgot the lettuce for the salad.
Oy, what are we gonna do about that?
I'm not going back in there. I'll ask my mom if she's going to the store.
Ayun, so kasi sabi ko kay Mr. nag-crave ako ng Caesar salad. So binili na namin yung ibang mga ingredients doon. Kasi nakalimutan pala ni Mr. yung lettuce. How about if we go to that Asian store there? Do you think they have lettuce?
We're not gonna have romaine lettuce at the Asian store.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. Don't they have the one where we bought the cake? So, pauwi na kami. Are we gonna go there? No?
Go where?
Where we could buy the lettuce. That fresh market, whatever that is.
No, we're not going there either because that's a bakery.
It's not a bakery. They do sell stuff there. It's fresh stuff.
I don't remember seeing that.
I saw it.
You want to make a bet?
Yeah. How much?
I bet you romaine lettuce. They don't have any romaine lettuce.
Well, I don't know. But I know they have fresh vegetables and fruits there.
I keep imagining there will be a...
Huh?
I keep imagining there will be a place that we have not thought of.
Here, on the way.
Like the
How about the Indian?
Yeah, I'm gonna go look at that.
Yeah. So anyway, ayun na nga. Sumama yung pakiramdam ko kagabi. Right, love. Last night, I felt very nauseous.
Tell them why.
You tell them why.
Because if you remember from her earlier videos, I refused to buy her milk tea.
But you agreed.
Yesterday she tricked me. I was very tired. I was not thinking clearly, and she said she was going to get the milk tea with no caffeine in it.
I did say that.
You did.
I did not.
You did.
I did.
You did. And you got the milk tea with caffeine in it. And then you got sick and your brains are all screwed up. Just like always happens every single time you have milk tea. Without variation.
Yeah, so nagkaroon kami ng parang
And then before bed, you ate some weird ramen noodles of some sort that made you even more sick. And then you don't drink enough water, and then you don't get enough sleep, and then you wake up and you eat Spam, which has way too much salt in it and weird stuff in it. And you keep doing things to yourself to make you less healthy, and then you feel less healthy, and you wonder why.
I think that's the reason. I think it's just because I'm almost over with my pregnancy. Yeah, because I'm already 35 weeks
If you would
and
quit doing things
2 days.
that are bad, if you get more sleep, you drink more water, don't ever drink milk tea again as long as you live.
As long as you live. Anyway, you even said, oh, let's go to the hospital. Because I was really not feeling well and it's kind of scary. But I told him maybe we should observe first. And then this morning I just felt very nauseous again. But tried to get some nap. And then I felt okay now. Do you think they have it? Well, yeah, it's Brooklyn Market. Meets groceries. Do you think they have it? I don't think they have it. Just check. So ayun na nga, hindi na ako nakapag vlog kasi nagtatamad ako mag vlog. What is that one? Wait, love, they're selling ice cream. hello to everyone. Hi. My baby is such a snobbish. Are you a snobbish baby? Nagbebenta sila dito ng ano, ice cream. Ayun o. Ice cream ba yun? Kasi parang walang ano, walang tao. Ay, hindi pala kita. I'm not sure kung kita siya. So, ayan, buti nakabili si Mr. Kaya lang hindi siya masyadong kagandahang lettuce. Ayan. Putyo-putyong lettuce. Pero pwede na yan.
There's some nice kale in the garden I can pick.
I don't like the
It's
kale.
it's not regular kale. It's very light kale.
No, I don't like the
You haven't even had it yet.
Hoy, we've already tried
Also, you
kale.
like cabbage. It's the same thing as cabbage. And it's-
Remember you keep feeding me that kale when we were at the
This is not like
apartment?
that. It's a different variety. It's very light. It's not the same thing at all.
No, I want this one.
Yeah, but it looks like lettuce. You can't even tell it's not lettuce. It's like most kale is very thick. This is very thin kale.
Anyway, love, I'm gonna interview you because it's Father's Day. This is an impromptu interview. No practice. Pagka naman nag-video kami talaga, wala namang practice yun. Kaya minsan naiinis to sa akin. Basta-basta na lang daw ako nagtatanong. What is your wish for the Father's Day? Your greatest
I
wish?
want to see Rochelle.
I know, that's it.
That's it. That's my only wish.
Do you think it's gonna happen soon?
I don't know. I think once they tell me that I'm her father, they give me the little piece of paper that says you are her father. I can go to her school and be like, I'm her father. Give me. And
Give me.
They have to give me.
Give me a ratio.
Pulling her out of school early.
So yun yung kanyang greatest wish for the Father's Day. So ayan guys, nakauwi na kami and mag-start na tayo sa ating grocery shopping haul. So yung una is bassinet bilang paghahanda sa aking super lapit ng panganganak. So I am 35 weeks and 2 days pregnant ngayon. And hopefully hindi naman tayo mag-early labor. So if everything goes good, 4 weeks na lang. Lalabas na ang ating second Filipino-American baby girl. Baby girl na naman. So, yun yung una. Supposedly kasi, ang bassinet, in-order ko yun sa Shein. Kaso, hindi nila na-deliver. Ni-refund na lang nila ako. Kaya sabi ko kay Mister, bilhin na lang tayo sa Walmart. So, gusto niya talaga sa Amazon bumili. Kaso, nung chinek namin yung price, ang mahal niya. Sabi ko, parang hindi naman worth it na bumili ng mahal na bassinet kasi ilang months lang naman gagamitin ni baby katulad ni Zayra kasi once na nag-start na mag-roll si baby parang hindi na advisable na ilagay siya sa bassinet. So 3 months lang, parang mga 3 months mo lang siya gagamitin. Sayang naman unless diba magkakaroon pa ng isang baby. So anyway, daming sat-sat. Hinahabol ko na talaga yung hininga ko. Kasi, nahihirapan akong huminga dahil nga ang laki na ng aking belly. So anyway, first is loaf bread, paper towels, isa pang loaf bread, mini croissant, then KitKat. Kinain namin to ni Zayda kanina. 12 pieces ng eggs, goldfish, shrimp chips baked. So, snacks lang siya. Toy ni Zayda, blocks. Si Zayda kasi milik siya sa mga ganito. Parmesan cheese, 2 boxes ng whole milk, croutons para nga sa aming Caesar salad, and then Cheez-It para kay Mr. Brown gravy mix, and then Razor. And then, 2 tub ng ice cream. Bumalik na naman tayo sa ice cream. So, this one, ito yung aking para sa acid. Yung nireseta sa akin ng aking doktor. Real bacon pieces. Barbecue sauce. Magri-ribs kasi kami. And then Caesar dressing and marinade. Swiss Miss marshmallow. And then dark chocolates. So, ayan, meron pa palang additional na razors. So, tatlo siya. Ayan. Vinegar. Open. You want Mama to open it? Give me. What will you say? You're welcome. Ground cinnamon, butter, pickles, olives, tapos dalawang fire roasted diced from Hunt's, chicken gravy mix, Tums. So ito nakahiwalay ito kasi nga sa ibang store namin binili itong lettuce. Then 2-pack ng strawberries, isang large, isang small. Green beans, sugar snap peas, chachapsuy si Mister. Cherries, and then grapes, pepper, apples, yung diced na chicken breast, and then mas malaking pack ng chicken breast, and then ribs. Mangoes, cucumbers, and then avocados, and then last one is carrots. So, ayun ang aming pinamili for this week. And, yung total niya ay $272.44, which is pasok pa rin naman sa aming weekly grocery shopping budget na $350. So, ayun. Yun lang naman lagi ang aming vlog every Sunday. Ang ating grocery shopping video and haul. So again, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa aming YouTube channel. And wala naman kaming ganap ngayong Father's Day kasi si Mr. hindi naman siya ayaw niya na ng mga parang celebrate na ganyan, lalabas pa. Kasi nga talagang nagsisave kami kasi 'di ba pag lumabas ka is medyo mahal din pag pupunta ka sa restaurant. Although sa usapan namin ng ngayon ni Mister na every time na lalabas kami, ako na yung magbabayad. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, let's go, ako na, since Father's Day, pero ayaw niya. And then, I think magpa-file na din siya sa FMLA kasi nga nalalapit na yung aking panganak 1 month before para makapag-leave siya ng 3 months. So, yung FMLA, parang yun yung leave dito sa USA, paternity leave or maternity leave. Pero unpaid yun. Pero per state, meron silang, depende yata per state, meron yung paid leave. So dito sa Connecticut, merong Connecticut paid leave. Iba pa siya sa FMLA. And yung FMLA yata is job protected siya. Pero Connecticut paid leave is hindi. So hindi ko masyadong alam. Kailangan ko siya ulit i-check. Pero ganun yung ginawa ni Mister nung nanganak ako sa Pinas, nanganak ako kay Zara. Kaya nakapag-bakasyon siya doon ng 3 months na paid siya. Pero hindi yung full amount na sinasahod niya, lang siya, may percentage. So anyway, I cannot share a lot of information about that kasi hindi ko siya ganun kaalam. Search nyo na lang. And again, depende yata sa state kung nagbibigay sila ng paid leave. So ayun, marami pong salamat ulit sa pagsuporta sa aming YouTube channel. Excited na kami na lumabas si baby kasi medyo nahirapan na talaga ako. But then talaga sana is wag tayong mag-early labor kasi nakakatakot pagka mag-early labor tas wala dito si Mister, kami lang ni Zara. Again, happy Father's Day to every father in the whole wide world. Thank you for your support and see you again on our next vlog. Bye!